Hello, welcome WBP Stars. My name is Yornie van Dijk. I'm the chef and owner of restaurant Basiliek in Harderwijk, the Netherlands. Together with Esme, our pastry chef, we show our bread course. It's the first course in our menu. It's for me very important that we give some attention for the bread. Esme make it every day by herself. We have two types of bread. This one is the sourdough. We have it from the beginning. We are now open for almost 2 years. Esme prepare it at home. The dough starter, we call her Desiree, like Desiree. And we use it in every menu. The last menu we changed, we give the attention to the bread course, and we have two types of bread. The sourdough, and we have here the square croissant. And we serve it with two types of butter. One butter is we call it kruidenboter in the Netherlands, like herbs from the garden. We have three types of herbs. We have parsley, some dill, and some lovage. We make our butter by ourselves. We put some whipped cream and some buttermilk in a big bucket, and we let it rest for 2 days. Then we put some 2% salt flakes and 1% fine salt to make a nice flavor. And we mix it with like the puree we make from the herbs from our own garden. That's this one. And we put some herbs on it. It's like some sorrel leaves. This type is varen. I don't know the name in English. Some cola kruid. I think the translation is not coke herbs, but it's taste of a little bit of coke. We have some melda. Also some green sorrel leaves. Like this. In the beginning of the movie, we show our amuse, and we want to like storytelling for for the amuse combined with the bread course. Dus we use the belly of the trout in the tartelette. The tartelette is made also of the green herbs, the same herbs as we use in the butter. On top we have some black radish also, and we combine it with some elderflower. Flea blossom, elderflower. So the same taste is also in the amuse, is also in the bread course. The sourdough bread is combined with the same butter, but not with the herbs, but we put some powder on top of hemp seed. So what we say when we serve the bread, the people start with the tartelette. It's like one bite. And then first they eat the croissant with the herb butter, and then when they finish it, we took it out and we let the sourdough bread with the hemp seed butter on the table. Normally, before our new menu, we have like normal salt and normal olive oil on the table, but we changed it. We have some salt flakes. We put some fig leaf powder in it for a more nice. So nice flavor and nice smell. And we have green herb oil, and we use roquette, we use lovage, and we use some parsley. So you have all the greens together, and from our own garden. That's for me really important. We have a lot of things we can pick here around Harderwijk. We have a lot of forest, a lot of gardens. We have a garden near our restaurant and also nearby in the city. And we pick every day our fresh flowers and small herbs. We have also a pairing. We have not a wine pairing, but it's like a botanic pairing. We use the stems of the parsley. We put it in the juicer for the nice green juice, and we combine it with some kombucha. And the kombucha is made by ourselves. It's also with the stems of the parsley. We put it in a bottle and we let it rest for almost 3 weeks. That you have some sparkling in it. It's very nice to combine it. It's not like the wine what we use to combine with another dishes, but it's also like a green juice. And this is our bread course combined with amuse.